Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday held a video conference with Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha to discuss the state's preparation for hosting the 39 national games in 2027. The Chief Minister highlighted recent investment in sports infrastructure, including upgrades to major sports complexes in Shillong, Janja Hills and Tura. Shillong has previously hosted major events like the Northeast Games and South Asian Games. The state has also signed an agreement with IOA to host the games across Shillong, Tura and Jawai. The national games will be held in Uttarakhand this year, with no games in 2026 due to the Asian Games.
We are pushing all aspects from infrastructure to all other related issues that are there to ensure that we are ready. In the last few years, we have invested hugely in sports, and a large amount of investments have been made. Meghalaya Games now are being held on an annual basis. So there is a very, very strong push towards overall sports in our state.